Shh, tune into the din. There is no shadow in the dim of the rush, in the hush of the rain. This is the gloom of sin in a cow of cloud. We wallow in the splash, in the lash of the rain. Drips of spirit had gurgled down some drain, or slid in slow droplets from the window of my eyes to puddle upon my hands, writhing together in an empty pane, like the weeping limbs of some willow who in summer-flooded field sways but stands. Within this twilight in the middle day of later life, I hear the patter and ping, the roar and clash and splatter. I listen to the rain and its musings and its fury, to its whisper, its shout, and each tingling change in mood. Then I catch the puddles glisten. Shh! There is no thrashing, only bright silence, and the breaking quiet scream of the beam of the sun. Thus comes the refreshing salvation of soul that says, today I don't die. In the sky shines a sun. Rain by Larry Eugene Meredith, 2005. Found in Me, Myself, and I.